Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to enable end-to-end encryption for individual chat in WhatsApp. So open any chat you want to enable end-to-end encryption. On top you see chat name, contact name. So click on it, and then you see encryption. Messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted. Tap to verify. So click on encryption. You will see encryption after media visibility. So click on encryption. For security purpose, mobile recorder not record this section. So when you click on end-to-end encryption for individual chat, you see message on top. You have security notification disabled. Would you like to enable them? So click on enable. You see some code on your screen. If you want, you can use this code. You see instruction below. To verify that messages and calls with that person are end-to-end encrypted, scan this code on their device, or you can also compare the number above instead. So from other device, you can scan this QR code or you can add this number. Now on bottom right, you see scan code. So in this way, you can enable end-to-end encryption for individual chat in WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.